Welcome back, weekenders. Today we are in Winter Park at the Venice of Florida.
Yeah, welcome to date night in Winter
We're
Park.
doing the lake and canal tour here, right here.
Scenic Boat Tour.
Scenic Boat Tour.
World famous.
Scenic Boat Tour.
You heard it right here.
So come on, let's enjoy this adventure.
All right, let's talk pricing a little bit. So for adults, it is $16 per person. And for children, it was $8 for ages 2 to 12. They do tours on the hour, at the hour, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. every day. It's just a first come, first serve. You can't buy tickets online. You just show up. There's a ticket booth when you get here, pay your money, and then they'll get you on the next boat tour.
So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a recap of what is included in the tour. So you tour 3 lakes here in Winter Park. You go through 2 different canals. They point out a bunch of Rawlings College, a bunch of houses along the lake when they were built, some of the previous residents. We actually got to see the house that Mr. Rogers' parents lived in while he was at Rawlings College, Horace Grant's house, former Chicago Bull and Orlando Magic player. One of the things that I found really cool is the owner expressly does not allow them to talk about who currently lives in the houses, which is really nice. So you get to see the houses, you get to hear the history of the lake in the park, and the canals. Canals were actually originally founded by loggers, or created by loggers. They were little creeks, and the loggers dug them out to make them into logging canals. So, but overall, really cool ride. We'll come back. I'm going to show you some clips from the ride here now, and then we'll come back and give you our thoughts on the total tour here at the end. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. Bye. Hey guys, so as you can tell, it's a couple of days later again. Unfortunately, as you might have seen in some of the video there at the end, we got caught up in some serious rain at the end of the trip. But man, that was a lot of fun. We got to see a lot of really cool. I told you a little bit about that before. But we got to see a lot of really cool sights, some amazing houses. The Rawlings College, which is right there on the lake, which was pretty cool. And it was a lot of fun. Some things I wanted to point out. First off, I wanted to give a shout out to our skipper, Fred. He was amazing. It was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it. But put a quick video of him in there. He told me I couldn't cut it out, so we put him in there. We also wanted to point out that a couple other things. So if there's lightning in the area, they will cancel the cruises. Bree told you, they run them every hour, but if there is lightning in the area, they'll cancel it, as to not put you at risk. They also, our skipper Fred, had ponchos in the boat, and he gave us ponchos when it did start to rain. You saw that in some of the video here just a minute ago as well. But But overall, man, this was an amazing experience. There was a little bit of history, a little bit of cool sights to see, and a whole lot of fun just being on the boat and going around the lakes, and kind of getting to know a little bit more about the Central Florida water system. So, definitely, if you're in the area, you're at the theme parks or you're just exploring Orlando, this is something. Winter Gardens, just to the east of Orlando, really quick trip, and it was a lot of fun. So we would highly recommend this. So guys and gals, thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a comment below if you'd like to see us do more videos like this, and also make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss our next adventure. But enjoy your weekend. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.